Welcome back to this spoken English class. In this video today, the new approach that we're going to learn is again from the grammar, past perfect continuous tense. Let me do one thing before we proceed on today's new lesson. I would like to have the interactive communications with you. Okay, so I'll have that with you, and it is very important in day-to-day conversation. So it is not related to our lessons, but let me have this as a giving tip for you, and we will move on to our new lesson today. So how to ask and tell about time in English. Asking and telling about time in English. So a few questions are here. What time is it, please? Or what time is it now? Okay. What is the time, please? Or what is the time now, please? So the answer, it is. It is, and then follow the time. Excuse me, could you tell me the time, please? Or do you have the time, please? Have you got the time, please? Yes, it is. So for the answer, excuse me, could you tell me the time, please? Yes, it is. Do you have the time, please? Yes, it is. Have you got the time, please? Yes, it is. So that is the answer for this question. So asking time is in this way. One of these you can ask. Okay, pick up one of these and ask. So here we have some more other. So we here people commonly say 9:15, right? So now on we say it is 9:15. Okay, so it is a 9:30. It's nothing wrong, but better way of saying is it is, or it's 9:30. Okay, 9:45. 9:45 we say. So 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, nothing wrong. But here I'm showing you, teaching you better way of saying, in a better way of saying, or it is also called as a smart English. So today onward, use this. Okay, say this way, that no more 9:15. Rather, it is 9:15. It is 9:30. It is 9:45. So everything is put up here again. If it is exact, let us say 12, then it is 12 o'clock. Okay. If it is 1, then 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. And there are here. Okay. If it is 12:05, then say it is 12:05. It is 10:12, or it is 12:15, or 12:30. And after that, you say it is 22, right? 25 to, okay, 25 to 1, or 1:15, or 10:1. So this way we say, a better way of saying or asking and telling time in English. Okay, so no more saying of 9:15, 9:25, or 9:30, or 9:45. Rather, it is 9:15, or 9:20, or 9:30, or 9:45. Okay, so learn to say this way. Leave off all that old fashion of saying 9:15, 9:30. Hope this is useful, and continue practice for this on your daily basis. Okay, now we come to a new lesson, past perfect continuous or progress. So keep in mind, again, the helping verb is very important. I is the subject, had plus been plus doing. I have some things put up here regarding the definition or the meaning of this past perfect continuous or progressive. So past perfect continuous is nothing but anything or action that happened in the past but continuing, okay, or it's on the progress, it's on the process, showing when did it start and when did it end, or showing how many hours of action, how many hours of event or the activity took place. That is all about past perfect continuous or progressive. Okay, so in that we use time reference, that is since and for. So now as we go to the examples, this will help you to understand much better. Past perfect continuous tense. Here there's one example here. The boys had been playing soccer for about an hour when it started to rain. It means it is not when the rain started and the boy started playing for about an hour. No, they had been playing almost an hour. Okay, they had been playing soccer for about an hour. Then the rain started. That's what it means. Okay, then started to rain. That's what it means. So some more examples here. I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got the promotion, right? So after he got the promotion, he continued of his work for 5 years. That's what it means. So Martha had been working 3 miles a day before she broke her leg. I think it's clear enough that I don't have to go and explain for this sentence. Okay, the program that was terminated, which means cancelled or stopped or discontinued, had been working well since 1945. So it's been cancelled, but then again continue of that already terminated program since 1945. That's all. So you had been waiting there for more than 2 hours when she finally arrived. So which means before she arrived, she had been waiting there for 2 hours. Okay, so this way we use for the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, Jeff had been gossiping in the coffee shop for 2 hours before he came to the class. So it's clear enough even that how the past perfect continuous sentence the form. Okay, so again this sentence is again easy to understand, that Jeff had been gossiping in the coffee shop for 2 hours before he came to the class. So past perfect continuous also like a past perfect where it goes along with the past simple, or until the past simple it doesn't happen. Okay, so past perfect, past simple, similarly even past perfect continues with the past simple. So until the past simples, it is not showing clearly about what is taking place. Okay, for the past perfect continuous. So keep in mind, past perfect continuous is nothing but in a particular past time there was event or action took place, and it shows when did it start and continued, for how long. So that's why time's reference is very needed here, that for and since are used in forming sentence of the past perfect continuous. So the same case even for past perfect continuous tense also has positive sentence, negative sentence, and question sentence. Okay, so they had been playing tennis, they had not been playing tennis, had they been playing tennis. I have few questions here. I will not go everything, just let me pick up one or two, and then the rest you can just try yours for yourself. I had been, okay, it is where it is in the bracket. So I had been eating the meal when John entered the room. Okay, second, she, here we have drive within the bracket. She had been driving, so we have to say she had been driving the car before she met an accident. Last, the third one, he, work is what in the bracket. He had been working there for 7 years before he left the job. So this way we form the sentence for past perfect continuous, and compared to like present simple, compared to past continuous or present perfect or present perfect continuous, these past perfect continuous may not be so much used. Okay, may not be used so much in day to day, but it is again very important that we know or we learn this, because there are times when you have to use this sentence. So make sure you pick up this and use it correctly. So now recapitulation, which means a review or revise of what we have learned so far. So in past tense there are again 4 parts: past simple, and the helping verbs are went, played, or did. Okay, so I went to play, and past symbols is nothing but things happened already, nothing connected with the present, okay, situation. So it is just already happened, and whenever you make a sentence, make sure you mention the time. For example, I came here. So obviously when you say that, some may will like, no, some may want to know what time did you arrive. So I came here by 6 o'clock this morning, okay, something like that. But it is not always that you have to mention whenever you make a past simple sentence. It is only in it. The same way even for other tenses, like a past continuous. Again, a past continuous helping verbs are was, were plus ing form. Okay, past perfect. Keep in mind there are 2. In past perfect, whenever you make a sentence of a past perfect, there are just 2 past. Okay, so one is a past perfect, other one is a past simple. But these 2 past actions, past perfect actions, will always happen earlier than the past. Okay, I had been there before he came, like that. Okay, so you had been there first, and before he came or he arrived. So there is one of the examples of this past perfect. And past perfect continuous, I had been plus ing form. So don't forget of all these helping verbs. And also it's very helpful to make your sentence in all this, in any cases, if you understand the concept or the meaning of the particular part of the tense, and also helping verbs. Okay, so those are again very important. Okay, now identify which sentence is the part of the past tense. So I have I was working at 10:30 last night. That is what? Past continuous. Did she go away last week? That is past simple, right? I had gone to bed when the phone rang, right? So that is the past perfect. She had been working at a company for 3 years. Past perfect continuous. When Jack was playing a football, his father called him. So this has 2: past continuous and past simple. Okay, so I was tired last night, so it's a past simple. So these are a few things about the past tense. So whatever you have learned so far, make use of it, in a sense, keep practicing it. That will help you to do much easier in your speaking, in your writing, and it's very important. So thank you.